Hey guys, I just wanted to provide a video replying back to a few comments I had. How to fold up the seat on the Summit Goliath tree stand, as well as making it into a backpack to utilize it for that, as well as climbing with it, just how I climb up a tree. Stay tuned.
I have over 80, 90 pounds on my back, and now I have to walk 2 miles out with my crossbow in hand. This is not going to be a fun night, but the deer have moved, and I'm going to move with them. Happy hunting, everybody. Good luck.
So the first thing you're going to do is take your seat, just the top piece, lay it flat, and then you're going to fold them on top of each other. Take the bottom piece, and by lifting the seat, you're going to tuck the teeth up underneath, just like that, while passing the seat pad through the rail right there. You just flip the bottom of the seat pad through, and it'll fold right over nice and easy. Standing it up, you can slide over the straps that you're going to put. You want them in the center of your back. And then when you lift the stand all the way up, it's going to fall level and both pieces are going to match. So it comes with that strap right here. And what I like to do is wrap it around one side, go around twice, and then come over around the whole tree stand and come up underneath. A ratchet strap could be used as well, but I find this works fine. Pulling it snug, make sure it's real tight. Okay, once you have it tight and you put it on, you can see it's not going to make any noise. So it's very simple, obviously. These are your straps. You're just going to put one on, then the other. And what I like to do is lift it up into the air. It'll give me some slack, and then I pull down on the sliders right there, and I lock it in tight to my shoulder. Very simple, no noise, and it's a perfect backpack. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put my backpack in here. This is a military backpack, so it has straps all over with buckles. But you're going to pull that bungee for your feet out, slide your backpack in there, and then either with rope or if you have straps, you could just buckle them around wherever you could fit. This is going to keep it from falling out. I've never had an issue in all the years with my old Summit, and this one seems to be even better. It has more room. So you could tie it to the top loop with a piece of paracord, 550 cord, or you could put a ratchet to that as well if you don't have all these buckles like I do. But it seems to hold secure. I never have an issue. It doesn't want to fall out, bounce out, and I've put tons of weight on. Hooking it to a tree, I had other comments saying how loud it is and everything. I don't get it because it has dampening systems to make it quieter. It's like filled in the rails. So I'm going to climb the tree here. I'm only going to go up a few feet, which is why I don't have my harness. And the way I do it is put it around the tree. Make sure you have enough slack that it can slide up and down the tree and lock in properly. Connect the two pieces together with the bungee it gives you in the middle. It's attached already. And I pull myself up into there. And then I like to get the bottom piece up a little level with me before I start going up. So you're just going to put your heels into the bungee and then kick forward underneath the stirrup pieces, the little plastics. Okay, my seat, I just fold it right up in front of me, and it seems to stay there. I have no issues with that either. Sliding it forward to have room for my knees. And I just pull myself up. You could put your butt on the rail if you want, holding on. Make sure you have a harness. And it seems to help, but you could hear it's not loud at all. It's, you know, I'm not even trying to be quiet here. I was just going up the tree and figured let me put this into the video. But if I'm trying to be quiet, it is so silent. So I don't know where the noise comes from. If you have the older stands, yeah, they do make noise because they don't have the systems that filler in the rails to keep it quiet. But I just let myself down nice and easy. Anybody, you guys could do this however you want. I'm just showing you how I do it, if it helps you. If you liked what you saw today, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also, don't forget to hit the like at the bottom. These videos are a lot of work. It's deer season, and I still want to get some footage out there to help you guys out if need be. So, hope you all are having a good hunting season. Take care.